If your home was built before the 1960s, there is a good chance you have galvanized steel plumbing. While they were the standard for decades, these pipes have an expiration date. If you are wondering if it's time to replace them, the short answer is usually yes. Galvanized pipes may look sturdy on the outside, but they rust from the inside out. Over time, the protective zinc coating wears away, allowing corrosion to build up. This internal rust narrows the pipe diameter, acting like clogged arteries in your home's plumbing system. This internal buildup leads to one of the most annoying symptoms: low water pressure. If your shower has turned into a trickle or you can't run two fixtures at once, it is likely because your pipes are literally choked with rust, restricting the flow to your taps. As the pipes corrode, rust particles break loose and enter your water supply. This often results in brown, orange, or yellow discolored water, especially after the water hasn't been used for a few hours. It looks unappealing and can stain your laundry and fixtures. The corrosion doesn't stop at the surface. Eventually, it eats through the metal completely, especially at the threaded joints. This creates a high risk for leaks that start behind walls or under floors, often causing significant water damage before you even notice them. Replacing these aging pipes with modern copper or PEX is a game changer. A whole home repipe instantly restores strong water pressure, ensures clean, clear water, increases your home's resale value, and gives you peace of mind against future floods. Don't wait for a burst pipe to upgrade your plumbing. If you suspect you have failing galvanized pipes, get a professional assessment. For expert repiping services and reliable solutions, contact Black Mountain Plumbing. Visit blackmountainplumbing.com or call us today.